It is Tuesday, February 9th, 2021. I am Ashley Pollard here for another edition of Tuesday Talk, where we go over common real estate and mortgage related terms. Today's term is FHA loan, and the FHA is the Federal Housing Administration, and an FHA loan is a type of mortgage where the FHA ensures to banks and private lenders that if they incur any losses because a buyer does not pay the loan back in full or pay in a timely fashion, the FHA program will cover those losses. Um, they're these types of loans are really popular with first-time home buyers because they offer a lot of good incentives. One of those is that you can borrow up to 96.5% of the purchase price of a home. So that means that your down payment only has to be 3.5%. And if I am, new in my career, I don't really have the reserve saved for a large down payment, or maybe my credit score isn't as great, the FHA program allows buyers to still purchase a home even if they're not approved conventionally. There's a lot of ins and outs to this, so give me a call if you are interested in looking into the FHA program and seeing if you qualify. I will put you in touch with my lending team, who will get back to you immediately and let you know where you stand and see if we can move forward with an FHA loan for you. Thank you for tuning in to FHA Loan this evening. I hope you all have a great rest of your week, and we will see you next Tuesday for Tuesday Talk.